This is an overview of GUM version 1.1. This adds support for submenus and some fixes so that it no longer crashes when you're installing it sometimes. I was going to include 1.4 compatibility with, PrestaShop 1.4, but until that comes into stable, I've decided to leave that for now because I'm still having a bit of problems with it myself. And if there is any problems, I'll release PrestaShop 1.4 compatibility and 1.3 backwards compatibility in GUM version 1.2, as well as another additional feature. So, just to start up, this just go to installing it. So, as you can see, 1.1 here, install. And it'll always say this instead of the problems I had in the previous version of sometimes giving you a module not installed correctly. Once you've done that, go to positions, then find the top of pages section, drag it to the top. Now we're ready to configure. So what's different in this version is you'll see there's an extra box here called hierarchy in brackets parent, which is basically how when you're adding a link you'll look through this box for any other link which you want it to appear under to make it into a submenu, or select no parent to make it into a normal menu on the top row. And you can also see there's an extra row on this box down here which says parent ID, which basically when it lists your links you can tell which submenus appear under which parent menus and what exact IDs they are. So just to demonstrate, I'm basically gonna, I thought this would be a good example since I am planning to port GUM to phpBB at some point. But you can see this site has menus and submenus already, so it's a good one to duplicate to show an example. So these would be your parent menus, the about, download, customize, support, etc. And then the ones inside are the submenus. So features, history, and getting involved. So to demonstrate this, I'm just going to duplicate that first bit. So just getting the link there. That's the wrong link. I'll just click on it instead, it'll be easier. So just paste that in there. Put that as no parent since it's the parent menu. And if you scroll down, you can see it's been added there. It's my shop, and you'll see it's the only link there. Does it exactly what you expect it to, but if we just try adding the features bit, so features, URL, but then select about as the parent and add it. If we just refresh, you can see it just appears under there, and it only drops down when you hover over this bit. As long as you stay in this area, it'll stay there. If you click on it, it's the right URL. So I'll just do this for a few more just to show that it basically infinitely expands to however many menus and submenus you want. So next I'll do downloads, and then I'll do 2 submenus on that. So downloads, no parent again. Then downloads latest version. Make the parent downloads. Then modifications. Start to downloads again. Just take that off. So you can see it's got all of them. And if I just try these links, all works. That one as well. So basically, just using this module, I could recreate the entire menu from this site. I'd obviously have to, it doesn't support this extra text here which doesn't have a link, although that's still possible if you just include it as part of the full link. But that's it all. And I'll be porting this to phpBB soon, and I'll post a overview on that as well. This is available on PrestaShop add-ons if you just search it for €30. And I'm hoping to add PrestaShop 1.4 compatibility, but once to get it stable. If it needs any, it might work out of box yet. I'm not sure because I haven't been able to test it. So just watch out for our next video on that, and that's it.